Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Stripe webhooks for payout reconciliation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Stripe webhooks for payout reconciliation, begin by understanding the importance of webhook verification. Ensure you have access to your Stripe account and the relevant API keys. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section and find the API keys. You will need the signing secret, which can be found under Webhooks. Create a new webhook endpoint if you haven't done so already. After setting up the endpoint, copy the signing secret for use in authentication. In your server-side application, import the necessary libraries for handling webhooks. If you are using Node.js, you might require the Stripe package. Install the Stripe library via npm if it's not already included. In your webhook handling endpoint, set up a function to listen for incoming requests from Stripe. When a request is received, retrieve the signature from the request headers. Use the signing secret to create a Stripe signature object. Call the appropriate method in the Stripe library to verify the signature. Ensure to include the payload and the timestamp in your verification process. If the signature matches, proceed to process the webhook event. If the signature does not match, return a 403 forbidden response. Log any unauthorized access attempts for further analysis. Once verified, handle the different event types that you want to process. For payout reconciliation, look for the relevant event types, such as payout.paid. Inside the handler for these events, implement your business logic, such as updating your database. If applicable, send acknowledgements back to Stripe confirming receipt of the event. Completing these steps ensures secure and efficient webhook handling for your payouts. Regularly review and test your webhook endpoint to keep the integration smooth. Stay updated with Stripe's API documentation for any changes or improvements. Following this procedure will help safeguard your payout reconciliation process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.